For very long-term investments, are there any other way to
Pension.
diversify other than the three pension level 3, same as ETFs with tax benefits? Correct? Yeah. So pension is always a big word for people, right? But it's just a tax wrapper. So basically, a pension just means that you get tax benefits at some point or the other with your ETFs. So over the long term, this can be a lot more tax efficient than a standard investment account. Real estate, yeah. These are, of course, the two big asset classes, right? That always made money, that will probably continue making money over the long term too. What a lot of other people like doing over the last couple of years with all the economic crisis and the war and everything is that a lot of people started gold savings plan. And I was a long time a little bit against it without getting into it, right? I made the classical mistake that a lot of people do. You're like, gold. If the stock market goes up, it goes down, gold is supposed to go up, right? Then you look at the chart, doesn't happen, gold is shitty. And then I got into it thanks to you guys, and gold has actually had a really solid return over the last decades.
Yes.
So this is actually something that a lot of people have started over the last 2-3 years, and I think it's really clever.
Yeah. It's true.
Of course, no passive income with it, right? But if you have some real estate, different types of properties in different locations, because there's not just one real estate, right? A property in Berlin works a lot different than a property in or a student home in Nuremberg or a care elderly living at Bodensee or something like this. They all work very, very different. Old property versus new property. You can create a nice portfolio the same way you can do it with ETFs. And I think those are certainly the two asset classes that I would recommend the most people to have.
Yeah, for sure. Even silver.
Silver has a lot more industry. They take it in the
Exactly.
industry, right? Gold is
Yeah.
just shiny and everything, but silver has a real value, yeah.
Yeah.